Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well and that this video and message finds you in a good place. This week is our last part of the collaborative module. It is due on Monday. You should have had your group meeting, or I know there are a couple groups who are actually meeting this weekend, which is fine. Next week we will start digital citizenship, which is usually everybody's favorite module. It's a big topic these days, especially during COVID. So what I wanted to talk about was the student example, and one of the biggest mistakes I see on the collaborative module. And so I wanted to bring it to your attention. If you need to go back and edit your assignment or resubmit an updated version, you totally can. I haven't graded them yet. So let's go in here and take a look. So this assignment was for you to find a tool that your children could use collaboratively. And then you were being super collaborative yourself by, having a teacher meeting with your friends and talking about the collaborative tools. It was sort of meta, right? You're collaborating while you talk about collaboration. So down here at the bottom, I always give you an example when possible. Let's take a look at it together. This is from last semester. So this first person shows VoiceThread. Big VoiceThread user myself. It's a great collaborative tool. Lots of info here. But the area that I often see students fail to talk about collaboration is right here, where you're supposed to come up with 3 very specific activities that demonstrate how the tool is collaborative. So it would be incorrect to say, oh, VoiceThread allows you to share a video. Right, that is the function of the tool. But what is a specific use for a teacher? And so you could either choose an SOL, or you could just say like a grade and subject. So these students came up with a 7th grade history class could use VoiceThread to have an open debate where kids are posting different sides of the Federalist and Anti-Federalist. Pretty neat. In a 9th grade bio class, they could dissect a pick at home. Then they could post and answer questions with their peers. And in a 3rd grade class, you could use the microphone feature, and students could respond to each other and the words that they're working on. So really good collaborative examples here. Let's see what else they came up with. Flipgrid. I think a lot of you had Flipgrid. Everybody loves it. It's a good one. So let's see. They said 10th grade, they could use it to introduce themselves and respond to each other. Good collaboration between kids. 3rd grade language class, they could work on their pronunciation skills by talking about their homes. 6th grade English class, they could use the microphone to summarize and ask each other questions. So again, good collaboration. I think this was just a pair group. Yeah, just the 2. So you can see here on the examples, what I'm looking for is for you to really tell me how the tool you've chosen could be used collaboratively with kids. You could pick a tool and say, kids could collaboratively respond to each other. They could collaboratively create something together. They could collaboratively have a group meeting, but you have to show me, since this is the collaborative module, that you understand what collaboration is and that you can plan activities where kids collaborate. I can't say, hey, you got an A in the collaborative module, if you haven't shown me that you could plan for kids to use technology to collaborate. Collaboration is hard. And that's why in this module, I try to make as many videos as I can and give you as many helpful hints as I can. And as always, offer to read your drafts. Those of you who have sent them to me, gosh, they look great. I'm so happy you're sending them to me. So look back at what you have. You don't have to have another group meeting. But if your examples that you came up with your group don't really hit the nail on the head with collaboration, revise it. Come in here, delete what you have, fill in the table again, and then resubmit it. Because I'm going to grade the most recent submission anyhow, and it's set as unlimited submissions. And so you don't have to have another group meeting. It's your grade from this point on. But make sure that you have specific ideas for how the tool can be used collaboratively with kids. You can pick an SOL, or you could just be grade and subject, which is also fine. Okay? And as always, send me drafts. I'm happy to look at them. Talk to you soon. Bye.